This is my review of the Ford Motorcraft oil filter FL-820-S. Now, this is a spin-on oil filter. It's the big one, real nice. Look how nice and heavy duty that is. That's what I like about these spin-on oil filters, folks. A lot of these newer engines, they got these paper elements and all these different components that you have to put together. And this, number one, is idiot proof. Number two, it's heavy duty. Number three, it lasts. You don't have to worry about some plastic part getting warped or whatever. This is metal, right? And this is very substantial. These spin-on oil filters, in my opinion, are the best design that I've ever come across. And it saddens me to see a lot of the newer vehicles use not this type of spin-on oil filter. But that's just my 2 cents, folks. I'll include an affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching this video.